Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Nur Aini, name 1902937. In this video, I would like to explain about my product using Edmodo. Before that, I will give the introduction about Edmodo. Edmodo is a social network-based learning platform intended for teachers and students. It means that teachers can deliver the material as a learning process using Edmodo, and students can learn or receive the material also using Edmodo. We go to my product. I make the mathematics 8th grade and I give the description. How are you all students? Welcome to mathematics class. Through this class, you can learn about relations and functions concept. Please give your best efforts in this class such that you can get the best mark. Hopefully, you can understand the concept easily. After that, I ask students to fill the attendance. To fill the attendance, please provide feedback by typing present in this attendance activity. After students fill the attendance, I give the video for the introduction. So I ask students to watch this video. Dear students, before we start our lesson, let's watch the video below. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear students, in this class, we will learn about relations and functions. Basic competencies 3.3 describe and express relations and functions using various representations, words, tables, graphs, diagrams, and equations. 4.3 solve problems related to relations and functions using various representations. Learning objectives. First, explain in words and state everyday problems related to relations and functions. Second, define relations and functions. Third, understand the difference between relation and non-relation. Fourth, observe a function and not function. Fifth, understand the form of presentation of relations and functions. Sixth, draw a graph of the function in Cartesian coordinates. And the last, this is the mind mapping of relations and functions. After I give the video, I give to students activity 1. First, you will learn about relations. It's about understanding the representation form of relations. You can do it by explore activity 1. So students can open this file to do the activity 1. Okay, in this activity, students can observe about the problem given. Then students can ask, and of course, students can reason. After that, I ask students to write the answers for activity 1 in the paper and submit that in the link below. So the students have to submit their answer in this link. Then, after do the activities, you can read this essence material, understanding the representation form of relations and examples to more understand the concept. You can give questions, comments, and others in comment section below. So I provide the essence material. Students can open this file. Students can read this material to more understand about the concept. After we learn about the representation form of relation, we will learn about the characteristic of functions. So I give the activity 2 to understand the characteristic of functions. I give the problem 3.5 and I ask students to observe, ask, dig up information, try, and complete this table. Same like before, I provide the link for students submit the answers for activity 2. I ask students to write the answer for activity 2 in the paper and of course submit in the link that I given. After that, students can read the essence material, understanding the characteristics of functions and examples to more understand the concept. You can give questions, comments, and others in comment section below. Students can open this file and students can read to more understand about the material. In this essence material, I give the information and some examples. Now we're going to understand about the representation form of functions in activity 3. I give the activity 3. In this activity, I give the problem. Students can observe, can ask, can dig up information, and can reason. And of course, I ask students to answer this activity. And then, after do the activities, you can read this essence material, understanding the representation form of functions, and example to more understand the concept. You can give questions, comments, and others in comment section below. Students can open this file and students can read the essence material to more understand about the concept. This is the essence material. Then, and the last, we do the activity 4 to understand the one-to-one correspondence. Activity 4, students can open this file. I ask students to observe, to us backup information and reason. After that, I provide the link for students submit their answers for activity 4. Then after the activities, you can read this essence material understanding one-to-one correspondence and examples to more understand the concept. You can give questions, comments, and others in comment section below. Students can read this essence material. After you have done all the learning activities in this class, here is a YouTube link regarding the explanation of relations and functions material from other sources. You can watch these videos until part 5 on his YouTube to improve your understanding of the material. So students can watch his videos to more understand. Then I give the relations and functions assignment. Do these tasks on your paper. After that, you can scan it and submit in PDF file. Pay attention, submit it before due date. So this is students can open the assignment. There are 5 questions in this assignment. After that, I give the quiz. Dear students, this is the quiz to find out how far you understand the material taught in this class. Please give your best effort to do this quiz. So I give the quiz. In the quiz, there are 5 questions, multiple choice and essay in 50 minutes. So that's all my product using Edmodo. Sorry for my mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.